Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Cotton Blues cheesecake from the Cotton Blues Cheesecake Company. This cheesecake company is based in Waynesboro, Mississippi. They have a 20,000 square feet cheesecake kitchen in that state, and they do have the products here in Oregon, and I purchased this one at Safeway. The first one we've bought was like individually packed, and they were like $5 to $6 a piece. The flavor that I first had was a blueberry one, and it was really good. So we're trying out this whole box of strawberry swirl. It comes with 10 slices, and it is around $50 for the whole box, and this is frozen. When you will see it in the frozen aisle. So let's take a look at the inside of the box. It's a really nice sturdy box, and each of the cheesecake is like individually like wrapped with like a parchment paper so that they won't stick. And we've thawed this for around 2 to 3 hours. You may also thaw the cheesecake overnight if you want to eat it the next day. And yeah, we've tried it. It's as good as the blueberry one. Thank you for watching this video. I know this is unusual. It's not a regular unboxing, but I just wanted to show you this cheesecake. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh boy, I fell.